Hello everybody, welcome to Bitchin' and Prayin'. We're in Gatlinburg, Tennessee at the Frizzle Chicken. This is the menu. It's right next door to the Comedy Barn. It's a small menu, but it's a really cool place. Here's Sasquatch in the sun. And look at all these chickens. The inside of this is really cool. Suppose every 15 minutes they dim the lights and these sing. We're right below Jim Henson and Hen Stefani. I'm going to try to stand up here real quick. It's a really cool place. Yeah, it's much bigger than it looks in the videos. Anyhow, I'm going to show you the front of the place when we leave. I didn't want to, I've been having battery and storage problems with my phone, so they all dress in overalls. There was a wait, we only had about less than a half hour wait, but it also is a Wednesday? Tuesday. Wednesday, weekday in June, but we'll be back with you. Alright, this is what goes on every 15 minutes. Boys doing my vlog. Being my cameraman.
Out of the box.
Oh, right there. All right. And welcome back to Bitchin' and Prayin'. Let's see. We're here at the Frizzle Chicken in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We just got our food. If you'll notice, because of the COVID-19, everything is in disposable things. So it's kind of messier here, like salt, pepper, ketchup, everything is in disposable things. And at this particular restaurant, they're all wearing masks, they're all wearing gloves. It's been that way at almost everything except for, I think, Flapjacks was the only one. And that was one of our favorite places. And the atrium. Flapjacks, I would have been happier if they would have been wearing masks there, to be truthful. Gloves, I wouldn't have cared as long as, I think that a lot of them were wearing gloves for their safety, which is fine with me. Flapjacks, I would have been happier if they would have been wearing masks, though. But otherwise, they were great. This is our food. I got the biscuits and gravy, and then you can turn it into what they call the whole breakfast. So mine was $9.99 for this. The boy got the... How much was yours?
$9.99.
$9.99 and included coleslaw. How is it?
Good.
Good?
Yep.
And he's Mr. Chicken Strips, so he's picky and he always rates them on a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the best.
Not sure yet.
Not sure. He got the Belgian waffle and turned it into the whole breakfast, and that would have been $9.99. and got coffee. I got pop. He got pop. And the drinks were $2.99. I think it was all $2.99 each. Free refills. So anyhow, so far so good. I haven't tried mine yet. Okay, so the total for coffee, 2 soft drinks, 2, what do you call those? All breakfast, full breakfast, and a chicken tender plate was $43.13 after tax, before tip. On a scale of 1 to 5 total.
3.75.
3.75. How about you?
I'd probably give it a about a 3.5.
3.5. I'm giving it about a 3. Sorry, the table's all dirty. It was not horrible. None of our food was very hot, and it may have been part of it, but it wasn't. It's not. I think it's a lot about the atmosphere in here, like all the cool stuff. It was just basic food, and I'm just kind of moving this around. I don't want to get concentrating in anybody's face, but it was. It's a nice place to stop, and it's not overpriced. Medium portions, okay food, and I'll show you some more of the outside. And this is the gift part, and where you check out. They have like little stuffed animals and stuff. This is looking down the front. More chickens. The piggies. This is the exit. Excuse me. And get out here and show you the front of it. It's right across from the Jurassic ride over there. It's right next to the Comedy Barn. Actually, I think it's part of it. There's this giant egg thing, and it's also right across from the arcade thing, and just down this giant boot thing. So that's it. Frizzle's Chicken, and it's fun to stop at. So would recommend taking the time to stop. It's not super expensive, and we'll see you later. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching Bitchin' and Praying.